Hi everyone, so today we have to do the retrospective too. So if you guys can say the point, your side of points, we can add them.
I think everything is went well when you are comparing to the previous sprint. The things went well, or the bugs got crushed across the board multiple times in the terms of front end development and the back end development as well. So we just make it work by using some techniques.
Bugs got crushed across the board.
Yes,
You're
and
saying?
yeah, bugs got crushed across the board in front end as well as in the back end. So we just come with some solutions to rectify them, and we pass the things.
Um, then say the machine learning predictions are going well.
Yes, I just want to mention that is
I mean, we were able to deliver before the deadline.
I think we can say one more point where this time we got more number of story points, right, rather than the previous one. So I can say allocation of story points well this time rather than the previous one. Thing else to keep in what went well.
code
Daily
went
stand-up calls. Bugs got crashed.
Can you repeat again?
Bugs got crashed across
Yeah,
the yeah.
yeah, we have already kept it. Anything else? Do you
Back
want
end
back end? Yeah.
and held strong under the load. Under load, I think under the load. I have text.
Sorry,
Fine.
understood, sorry.
Team collaboration and commitment.
Yeah. Anything else, or do you want me to move to what can be improved?
We have some chats to get rid of some stress when we are working together.
In what went well, you're saying?
We just having some chit chats to get rid of some stress kind of thing when we are
Yeah.
working together.
Some fun meetings to reduce stress. Okay. Okay. So, does anyone want to say what can be improved?
Then from my side, I think ML training took a lot of time. So
Yeah. So
over
it needs
time,
to, yeah. Machine learning prediction takes a lot of time, right?
I think some
Also,
more time
we took a lot
to.
of time for front-end edits.
Front-end edits are also take too much time, right?
Yeah.
In backend, we have some tweet like some tweaks are lagging in backend a bit. Yeah.
And to get better response time.
Yeah.
Anything else?
So need to improve the cleaner tracking system.
Can you repeat again?
The cleaner tracking system.
Tracking system.
Yeah, clearer tracking system.
Yeah. Clear the tracking system you're saying, right? Okay. I think we need to locate the task
Blurred,
multiple.
especially across time zones.
Can you repeat again?
Role boundaries blurred across the time zones, especially.
Roll downs.
Like tasks.
Yeah. Should be allocated to multiple person, right? That would be good.
I'm thinking what can be improved. You're right, machine learning training takes more time to predict the outcome. But in what went well, you write it as it going well with the project.
Correct.
Yeah,
So we have to
it's
change
taking more.
what went well. I'm thinking.
No, it's taking long time, but at the end of the day, it works well. That's the
Maybe
thing
we can
happening.
write it as what went well. It is taking accuracy, so many expectations over there, but it is little bit fast. So we have to improve in the next time. So we can leave it like this, but we can
Some
change.
of them, actually, some of them are included in sprint one, so they went well, and then somehow need to be
Some
included
of
in
the
sprint two. So some of, I mean, half of the parties should be included in sprint two. So they're going to be.
so yeah, then we can keep it in the what can be improved only, right? So because for the when it was fully improved, so we can consider it as what went well. Right is all right. Anything else do you want to add? Do you want me to go to action items?
You can move to the action item.
Yeah.
Should
So
split work for back and front end machine learning earlier to avoid the last minute crashes.
yeah. Split workload. Anyone have any other points?
Keeping one document where everyone can see the progress, updates, and notes about the project.
Yeah. Keep one
Document.
proper document for everyone to
To
see the
progress, updates, notes.
okay. Anything else?
And we can add one more day or two more days to fix the bugs that
Yeah.
that's seen in the front end part and the back end part.
Need to add more days.
Additional
A more day to end the test and polish everything.
I think we can consider these as allocate meter points to the test cases, right? So more days to testing cases
And polish everything.
and
Polish everything.
polish everything. Testing,
Testing one.
yeah, testing
Well,
cases and polish everything. Need to add more days to testing and polish everything. Yeah. Anything else? I think this time the number of points went well, so I think mostly our predicted workload would be the same for the next spring, similar to it. And I don't think it can be improved or it can be in the action items.
further, we can use some cloud infrastructure to automate the things what we have done in the past in the front end part and in the back end by using some build tools like Maven or
In which one you're saying?
to build from development stage to production stage. We can use some build tools to make it easier for having more application is when we are developing any new application.
Okay, then we can write like need to look
Need to
for
look for
way
some build tools to automatically update the futures if someone is want to add
builds to
in upcoming days or
make the production work easy, production deployment easy. Okay. Need to look for some build tools to make the production deployment.
Easy.
Yeah, deployment easy.
we can use some cloud kind of infrastructure to
Yeah,
set.
there are few options. I
Yeah,
think.
we added some AWS kind of thing.
Yeah,
So
I
which is
think we can try looking for Azure because previously we can link our GitHub. I worked for somewhere where we can deploy our code from GitHub to directly to the Azure. We can try looking into that. We can do some R&D regarding that. Anything else?
Maybe having a trial demo in the middle of the sprint to catch issues early and
Yeah,
to get our feedback from the trial.
trial demos after frequent intervals.
Mm.
Well, so yeah, trial demo meetings we can say
Yeah,
Yeah.
trial demo meetings.
after frequent intervals to get everyone's opinion for updates.
To catch the issues and improve the feedback about the sprint.
Need some feedback. Trial demo meetings after frequent intervals to get opinion for updates and feedbacks.
Yes.
Okay, right. I think anything else to add? That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, then that's it for this retrospective. So these will be the things what went well, what can be improved, and action item. That's it, guys. Thank you.